Today we're going to go over how to change windshield wiper blades. I know this seems like a really stupid topic to make a video on, but I can remember when I didn't know how to change windshield wipers. So I'm going to show you. So first things first, you need to figure out what size wipers you have. So in the case of my truck, I have two sets of 22-inch wiper blades, which look like that. In some cases, you might have one that's a 22 and the other one is like a 26, or it's smaller, like they're offset ones, or they're the same size. So just check with your specific vehicle. In my case, for my truck, they are the same size and they both are 22s. Also, you're gonna have this little clip right here. So in the case of my truck, we're gonna have this little hook right here on my truck, right? So we don't have to change anything out. The hook will simply slide underneath here. We'll use this little latch right here to get it to snap in. But if you don't have a hook like this on your windshield wiper blades, and you have, where is it? This little box looking thing right here, you're gonna need to switch out the top of this one. You'll pull this up at 35-degree angle, pull it off, place this one in, and then this little clip will slide into your box opening and the teeth will lock you into place. But if you have the hook, you don't need it. We can just use this one, and I'll show you how to take this off of the truck first. I will try my best to do this with one hand, but we do have the hook one with our little clasp underneath here. Hold on, I'm gonna lay you down for a second. Okay, so underneath here, we'll have this little button. We'll be pushing it down towards the pull it up, and then we'll simply push it out. Be careful not to let go of your holder so you don't crack your windshield, but that's what the hook will look like. Simply just slides off. We'll lay that down gently, and we'll replace this worn out POS. So before you go install this on your vehicle, one important thing, make sure you're taking off these end caps because they do not belong on here. And I believe they say remove. So it says remove right here at the top, ever so small. So go ahead and push these off like that, and we can go put them on the truck. Okay, same thing. We're gonna take, we have this little tab right here that's gonna go towards the inside. Our hook is simply gonna slide over that little joint that we have right there. We're gonna pull it towards us, wait for our audible snap, and we are installed. There you go. You installed new wiper blades. Congratulations. You learned something today. There you have it. Shortest video ever, and hopefully you learned something today, you know, and you have new wiper blades on your vehicle now. So I don't know if you have any questions about this. Feel free to comment, and I will answer your questions because I know what it's like to not know how to fix your own shit. So like always, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.